In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a checkbox optional in Docusign, whether you're an experienced user or just getting started. Adjusting checkbox behavior can make your documents more flexible and improve the overall signing experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is widely known for making electronic signatures fast, secure, and convenient. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to continue. If you're new, you'll need to sign up before moving forward. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access your documents, templates, and account settings. To begin, select a template. Templates are preset document formats that help you keep your workflow consistent and save time when preparing similar documents. Pick the one you want to edit and move forward. Once your template is open, fill in the basic details such as recipient name, email, and any other information required for the document. When everything looks good, click on the next button to proceed to the tagging screen. Here, you'll add a checkbox to your document. Select the checkbox tool from the list of form fields and click anywhere on the document to place it. You can drag and adjust it until it sits exactly where you need it. Now, it's time to make the checkbox optional. Click on the checkbox you just added. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen with various settings and customization options. Look for the validation section. Inside this menu, you will see an option that says select at least or a similar requirement setting. To make the checkbox optional, make sure this requirement is set to 0 or completely turned off. This allows the signer to leave the checkbox empty if they choose, giving them more flexibility while completing the document. Using optional checkboxes is especially helpful when you're collecting information that may not apply to every signer. Instead of forcing them to check a box unnecessarily, you give them the freedom to skip it, making your document easier and more user-friendly. Once your settings are configured, review your document one more time to ensure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, save your template or proceed to send it. Docusign will now treat that checkbox as optional for every signer who receives your document. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how smoothly your documents are completed. It reduces confusion, prevents unnecessary errors, and creates a better overall experience for your recipients. And as your workflow grows, using optional fields strategically can help you design cleaner and more efficient forms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process easier to understand. Be sure to check out my other Docusign tutorials for more practical tips and step-by-step instructions. Happy signing!